Guys, I'm out here in the morning feeding the chickens before school. And they're doing okay. They still got some feed spread everywhere, so I won't worry about that much, but I just gotta get a little bit of feed. Cooper, spread that out over there for them. And then we're spreading out some food scraps for them. No, don't put that in there. Spread it. Spread it over here. They'll eat it. Okay. And let's hope they lay some eggs today. A little bit more. Their water's good. Filled that up last night. Here, let's throw a little bit of this stuff out. Just move it around. Good enough. Got one little piece. There, good enough. Here, take this. Move the bread out. Let's look at the chickens for a second. See if they put anything in the box over here. Got anything in here? There, nothing. Come on, girls. You gotta be putting out something. Don't leave them up there, Cooper. Don't want to scare them. Yeah, they're all, up on the boxes. I guess that's their new sleeping place for the night. Okay. Stretching. Here, grab this. Okay. Scoop in. And let's hope that they eat their feed that they spread everywhere. Okay. Well, I hope when I come back that I got some eggs, so see you guys after school.